Suppose you have one of the curtain glazings done for the annex. It's obviously can be very simple to then just duplicate that around. So if we go into our level 0, let's first simply mirror, select that curtain wall, click mirror with draw access, get our center point of our floor here, and mirror that curtain wall over. So now both those sides done. And next we're going to do the front. So to do the front quite quickly and easily, you can just select this, either one of the curtain panels, doesn't matter. I'm going to copy it from the bottom. I'm just going to move it up to, I'm going to place it right there at the end, and then we're just going to rotate it around. So we select it again, click our rotate tool, and Revit automatically places your rotate position right at the center of whatever you've clicked. So if you click on something and click rotate, that center point, or that rotate pivot point will be at the center. To easily move it, you just click the point and you can then move that wherever you want it. So I'm going to put it right at the corner of my wall here, and then I'm going to rotate the curtain panel 90 degrees. I'm going to write in 90 just to make sure that it does exactly 90 degrees and not 90 point anything. So that's now rotated it, and it's automatically joined those two at the corner. You can go to plan, see it here, or in 3D I mean. I'm now going to go back in plan, and I'm going to just select the wall and drag it over to meet up with the other curtain wall. Now that's going to automatically still keep my 9 panels, so I simply change that, select our wall, and not the type properties but the instance properties of this wall. We want the number of vertical grid patterns to be 15 segments, which is 14 grids, if that makes sense. 14 grids in between the two end grids. So click on 14 there, it's then going to update this and it'll break it up into 15 wall panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And as you can see, it's actually just all of these ones have become opening sections, so we just need to check our pictures and work out however the pattern goes. So if it's every second one, just to change these, or use these match properties again, tab on your normal glazing, and then just match all these. Okay, and then you can do the same thing again on the inside panel there. You can just copy one of these, rotate it, adjust to the size, and then change the number of spacings to however many panels you need. And then that's your annex done. Once you've finished your annex, I'm just going to quickly show you now. So once you've finished all your curtain walls around here, and you've put in these corner details, instead of redrawing it all over here, you could simply just select everything we've drawn here. Well, not select everything, select our walls. So we'll grab our walls, our 3 curtain walls, maybe even our low walls and curtain walls here, and our floor. So I've got a 3D now, you can see. So I selected everything there, the floor, the walls, and the curtain panels, and I'm going to then just copy this up to here. Now I am actually lining this grid line here. I'm going to line it up with this grid line, because after I do that I'm then going to rotate it on that grid line as well, if that makes sense. I'll show you now. So I'm going to copy there and rotate, and grab the rotate tool and put it in line with that grid line. Just make sure that's, yeah. And then I'm going to rotate this 180. Just wrong there, but we can just simply move it anyway. We'll just move it over. So move it there so they line up. So just moving the midpoint to the midpoint of the floors. And then I can just select everything up here, except for the floor. dimensions, I guess. Okay. And I'm just going to move it down. And delete that floor. Share 3D. So now we just copied all of our glazing. Where's the other side? Something I didn't mention, I actually have changed the floor here. Now, yes, I'm still change it. But that was just a video showing you how to copy across. Once you do one annex, complete it and then just copy it all over, rotate it, make sure it lines up, and then move it down instead of redrawing it all.